Welcome back to our channel, See the Beautiful Ideas. Today, we have an exciting topic that will add a burst of color and beauty to your summer outdoor space. We're going to explore the best annual flowers to create stunning pots for your garden. So let's get started. Before we dive into the specific flowers, let's quickly talk about the advantages of using annuals in your pots. Annual flowers are plants that complete their life cycle within 1 year. They offer vibrant colors, abundant blooms, and are relatively easy to grow. Plus, they allow you to change the design and color scheme of your outdoor pots every year. It's like having a fresh canvas for your creativity. When it comes to designing gorgeous pots, remember the golden rule: thrillers, fillers, and spillers. Thrillers are tall, eye-catching plants that serve as the centerpiece. Fillers are medium-sized plants that fill the space around the thriller. And spillers are trailing plants that cascade down the sides, creating a lovely flowing effect. Now that we understand the basics, let's move on to the star flowers of the season. Our first pick is Petunias, the Versatile Beauty. Petunias are a classic choice for summer pots. They come in a wide range of colors and patterns, allowing you to create stunning combinations. They work great as thrillers or fillers, and their trumpet-shaped blooms add a touch of elegance to any arrangement. Next up, we have geraniums. These timeless beauties are known for their vibrant blooms and delightful fragrance. Geraniums come in various colors and are perfect as thrillers or fillers. They're low maintenance and can withstand the summer heat, making them a reliable choice for outdoor pots. For Bacopa, the Spiller Extraordinaire. To add that cascading effect, we recommend Bacopa. With its delicate white or lavender flowers, Bacopa is an excellent choice for spillers. It beautifully spills over the edges of your pots, softening the overall look and creating a captivating visual impact. 5. Marigold's Sunlit Splendor. If you're looking for vibrant, sun-like blooms, marigolds are the way to go. They come in warm shades of orange and yellow and thrive in full sun. Marigolds work brilliantly as fillers and bring a cheerful touch to your summer pots. Last but not least, we have zinnias. These colorful showstoppers come in a wide array of hues, from reds and pinks to purples and whites. Zinnias are perfect as thrillers, and their vibrant, dahlia-like flowers will definitely steal the spotlight in your pots. Well, that wraps up our list of the best annual flowers for creating beautiful pots this summer. Remember, the key is to experiment, mix and match different colors and textures to create a unique and personalized design. We hope this video inspires you to get creative and transform your outdoor space into a floral paradise. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and inspiration. Share your stunning pot creations in the comments below, we'd love to see them. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more exciting content. Until then, happy gardening! If you missed our previous video, check it out on your left. And for more gardening inspiration, watch our playlist on your right. See you next time!